In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Microsoft Clarity Analytics in WordPress for free. Setting up Microsoft Clarity on your WordPress site is a fantastic way to gain insights into how users interact with your site. And the best part? It's completely free and surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll log in to access your website's dashboard, which serves as your central hub for site management. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials, your email address and password to access your WordPress account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center from which you can manage your site's settings, appearance, and functionality. Next, we need to navigate to the Plugins section. Plugins are crucial in extending your website's functionality. In this case, we're going to use a plugin that will allow us to effortlessly insert the necessary Microsoft Clarity tracking code into your site. Click on Plugins in the menu on the left side of your dashboard. You'll be taken to a page listing all the plugins currently installed on your website. To add a new plugin, click on the Add Plugin button at the top of the page. This will open the WordPress plugin directory where you can search for any plugin you need. In the search bar, type Insert Headers and Footers. This simple plugin enables you to add script codes to your WordPress site's header and footer sections without having to modify your theme's files. Once the plugin appears in the search results, click on it to view more details. Next, proceed to install the Insert Headers and Footers plugin by clicking the Install Now button. After WordPress completes the installation process, you'll need to activate it. So, go ahead and click Activate. With the plugin activated, it's now ready to be configured. With the plugin installed and activated, the next step involves inserting the Microsoft Clarity tracking code into your site. To acquire this code, make sure you have an account set up with Microsoft Clarity. Once you've registered, Microsoft Clarity will provide you with a tracking code to add to your website. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Under the Settings menu, you should now see an option for Insert Headers and Footers. Click on it to open the plugin settings page. Here you'll find two main sections, one for headers and another for footers. Paste the Microsoft Clarity tracking code into the header section. After pasting the code, scroll down and click Save to ensure your changes are applied. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now equipped to start collecting data with Microsoft Clarity. You should start seeing user activity insights on your Microsoft Clarity dashboard shortly. Congratulations on taking your site analytics to the next level.